The Jamaican sun, a fiery kiss on Geraldine's chocolate skin, beat down on the bustling market in Montego Bay. At 18, her wild afro curls, a halo of rebellious beauty, seemed to absorb the vibrant energy of the island. But Geraldine wasn't looking at the mangoes stacked high, nor the batik prints billowing in the breeze. Her gaze was fixed on the distance, a slight squint etching itself onto her brow. She had always squinted. Small print was her enemy. Street signs a blurry abstract. But Geraldine loved to read. She devoured books, escaping into worlds painted with words, even if it meant holding the pages inches from her face. Her grandmother, Nana May, a woman whose wisdom was as deep as the Blue Mountains, would say, "Girl, you going blind before you 21." Nana May, a retired midwife with hands that had welcomed countless lives into the world, understood the delicate power of sight. She'd seen babies open their eyes for the first time, their gazes locking onto hers, a pure, unadulterated connection. Nana May knew that seeing the world was more than just absorbing light. It was understanding it, appreciating it, living it. One afternoon, Nana May brought Geraldine to Dr. Campbell, the local optometrist. The diagnosis was simple: nearsightedness. Glasses, a simple prescription, opened up a new world for Geraldine. Suddenly, the leaves on the mango trees were distinct, the faces in the market sharp and clear. The words in her books practically leaped off the page. The clarity was intoxicating. It wasn't just seeing, it was understanding. It was connection, like Nana May and the newborns. From that day on, Geraldine knew what she wanted to do. She wanted to give that gift of clarity to others. Years of relentless studying followed. Fueled by jerk chicken, coconut water, and the unwavering belief of Nana May, Geraldine excelled. She earned a scholarship to the University of the West Indies, her afro bouncing with every triumphant stride. Now, standing in the market, the scent of spices and roasting coffee beans filling the air, Geraldine wasn't just seeing. She was planning. In just a few months, she would graduate. Her dream was within reach. She would return to Montego Bay, not as a girl squinting at the world, but as Dr. Geraldine, the eye doctor, ready to bring clarity and connection to her community, one prescription, one pair of glasses, one clear gaze at a time. She smiled, a radiant, sun-kissed smile, knowing she was about to make Nana May, and all of Jamaica, proud.